In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curate a Substack feed to avoid AI-written posts. Let's get started by opening Substack in your browser. Once the page loads, take a quick look at the left navigation panel. You should see Home, Subscriptions, Explore, Profile. Confirming these are visible means you're in the right place to begin curating your feed. Now we'll switch the view from the recommendation feed over to the accounts you've chosen to follow. At the top of the home feed, click the option labeled For You. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click Following. After selecting it, check that the feed selector at the top now displays the word Following. This narrows the feed to the accounts and publications you chose to follow, instead of the broader recommendation feed. Next, we'll start removing AI suspect sources directly from this feed. Scroll to the following feed and look for a post or a note from a source you no longer want appearing in your timeline. Once you've identified one, click More Options in the top right corner of that post or note. A small menu will open. From that menu, click Unfollow for that source. If Substack asks you to confirm your choice, click Unfollow again in the confirmation prompt to finalize it. You can repeat this same process for any other source that consistently posts AI-written or low-value content. Just click More Options on their post, then click Unfollow and confirm if prompted. Now we'll move on to removing a publication from your subscriptions entirely, so it's gone everywhere across your account. Click More in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the options that appear, click Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Subscriptions section. Look through your list and find a free publication whose posts you no longer want in your Substack account. Once you've found it, click Manage Subscription next to that publication. This will take you to the Manage Subscription page for that particular publication. On this page, scroll down to the Notifications area. Then click Unsubscribe. If Substack prompts you to confirm, click Unsubscribe one more time to complete the removal. With those cleanups done, let's add a trusted source back into your feed to balance things out. Click the Browser Back button to return to the previous page. Then confirm that you're back on the home page before continuing. Once you're on the home page, click the Search Substack field near the top of the page. Now type the name of a writer, publication, or topic you already trust into the search field. Take your time entering the full name as you'd like it to appear. After you've finished typing it in, press Enter to run the search. A list of results will populate on the screen. Look through them and click on a trusted profile or publication that matches what you searched for. Once their page loads, click Follow or Subscribe, depending on which button is shown on that profile or publication page. After following the new source, click Home in the left navigation to return to your main feed. At the top of the feed, click the feed selector once more. From the drop-down that appears, click Following. This will switch your view back to the curated following feed, now updated with the new trusted source included. And that's the full process. Your Substack home feed is now focused on the following view. The AI suspect source has been removed from your followed list, and any unwanted free publication you unsubscribed from is no longer part of your subscriptions. New posts should come mainly from sources you deliberately follow or subscribe to, giving you a cleaner, more intentional reading experience every time you open Substack. You've successfully curated your feed to filter out AI-written content and keep only the voices you actually want to hear from going forward.